Guys, today is hair color day to get my extensions done. I'm gonna film this whole process for you. If you don't know it yet, if you don't follow me on my other social medias, I'm getting hair extensions by Aqua hair. They're going to be tighten extensions. I have not gotten extensions in so long, so I wanna film this process with you guys. I want long blonde hair, and let's just get it poppin'. So today I gotta go get my hair colored the same color as my extensions. Also, I just wanna let you guys know that this is a new salon that I'm doing this with. I have never worked with this salon before, so I kind of found them by people, recommendations for hair extensions, and it's like I'm low-key, a little nervous because I've never worked with these people before. I'm just literally trusting them to install these extensions and then, you know, do my color, and it's like, oh, I hope you guys are good, because you know what I'm saying? So let's get it popping. All right, so he cut me, like thinned out, made my ends not so blunt because we're going to be blending in my extensions tomorrow. But here's my cut and color. I honestly, he cut out a lot, believe it or not, and my hair feels lighter, thank God, because I'm getting a 22-inch long extensions tomorrow, but. All right, guys, it is day 2. Are you guys ready, like me, to finally get these extensions in? So I had to go back to the salon, Obvi. You guys saw my hair yesterday, and I am just so ready to get long flowing extensions. Are you guys ready? Let's go. guys, I am finally back. My hair is officially done. What do you think? Oh my God. It's so long. I mean, it's incredible. I got 22 inches Aqua hair tie-in extensions. So as you guys saw the video, I tried to film as best as I could of him installing them. So I just want to let you guys know that these are 22-inch Aqua extensions, hand-tied wefts, added 9 bundles, plus 4.5, it looks like, balayage, and 8 and 24 duo. 4-12 balayage and 8-24 duo. And that's what it says if you guys want to get technical for your hairstylist, if you're interested in getting these extensions. Guys, I freaking love these. Like, you can't even tell, like, the coloring that my stylist did is stunning, and the way that he cut my hair to blend with the actual extensions looks incredible. I absolutely love it, and I'm so happy. For all of the people, local subscribers, and if anybody wants to travel, the salon that I got this done at is Stylist Beauty Salon in Wilkes, Pennsylvania. His name is Butch. I absolutely love him, and he is certified to tie in these extensions. They can last with proper care up to a year if you take care of them. Every once in a while, once these extensions grow out, he can actually just move them up over time. So with proper care of the extensions, moving them up, and not burning your extensions all the time, your hair can last a really long time, which is longer than the great length hair extensions, and those are the ones that you beat in individually. I just like the idea that I can move this hair up because my hair is very thick, it does mat, and these are wefted in your hair, not beaded into your hair. So I hope to have these extensions for at least 6 months, and I just feel like it was worth the money for me. Also, for those of you that are wondering if I can use these like normal hair, yes, you use them like normal hair. You can flat iron them, you can swim in them, you could straighten them. You literally just move along your day like it's your real hair. So there's no special tactics. I do have to sleep in it. If for comfort reasons, I do plan on braiding it to the side like a nice loose braid with a hair tie at the bottom just to contain it as I sleep. But that's all the extra steps that you really have to take with this. These seem like low maintenance and you get the most bang for your buck. So I just really want to share that with you guys because I know a lot of people have so many questions on if they're natural, how do they feel, how do you take care of them? And guys, it's just like your normal hair. And I do recommend that if you guys do choose to get hair extensions, please do not go and get the cheapest deal you can find, because good hair, good quality hair extensions, they're gonna cost money, but they're worth the investment because you don't want busted cheap hair on your head. You just don't, because it's not gonna look good, it's not gonna last long. Take the time, save, invest in a good quality hair and in good quality stylist. I feel so glamorous. I love them, love them, love them. If you guys haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel and comment down below. I'm always doing vlogs on skincare and hair, and in my opinion, self-care and investing money into yourself and your grooming is a top priority, and I absolutely love it, and I'm so excited to even have an experience like this, and I'm even more excited that I got to share it with you. If you haven't done so already, also follow me on Instagram for updates on skincare routines and now hairstyles and outfits throughout the week. I love you guys. Stay luxe, stay fabulous, stay focused. Bye.